Hi, good morning, Dorothy. Would you please introduce yourself and the transformational space that you're hosting to our conference participants?
My name is Dorothy Marcic. I'm an adjunct professor at Columbia Teachers College, and my space is musicals as problem solving tools in transformational learning.
Great. So, what might participants expect during this transformational experience?
Well, they'll expect to be very engaged using both their left and their right brains, using the arts to help learn how to solve problems. And what I've chosen is a medium that I've worked with now for about 10 years. I went from full time academic to full time playwright. I went from footnotes to footlights, and I write musicals. And so this session is looking at musicals. In a typical musical, you have the sharks and the jets, the two competing forces, the farmers and the cowboys, and they have a conflict and they resolve it. In organizations, there's often conflicts and you have the sharks and the jets. And so this musical is going to ask people to really take a real life organizational problem, identify the sharks and the jets, what the conflict is, and then resolve it in a way that they wish it would be resolved, which is similar to Ostrom Associates' outcome directed thinking. And they're going to write a 10-minute musical with 5 one-minute songs that I have a composer write music to with dialogue and then perform it. So they'll learn about problem solving, how to resolve a conflict by writing a musical and performing it.
That sounds amazing. Thanks so much for giving us a quick idea of what that will be like. Is there anything else you'd like to share about the transformational space?
Well, people get nervous about performing, speaking, singing, and I'll tell you, everyone who's going to be there probably will not have much musical background, and so will be in what we call shared incompetence. But I've done this with groups. They love it. The struggle and the challenge and actually doing it. People said at the end, oh, we felt like Broadway stars at the end. It's a wonderful experience and very nurturing community-wise.
Sounds great. Well, thanks so much, Dorothy, and we look forward to seeing you in New York in October.
See you then.